Is your keyboard a dirt jungle? Does your cell phone have a science project on it? And why doesn't anyone clean that filthy remote control? When you want it clean, there's CyberClean, the new revolutionary cleaning compound for high-tech equipment. Taking apart your keyboard is almost impossible, but with CyberClean, simply press down and it automatically penetrates the tightest areas, pulling out dirt and dust on contact. CyberClean goes in virtually any crack or crevice, but completely comes back out every time. Just press it on and the dirt is gone. Plus, it's lab-tested and proven to provide deep cleaning action. Now clean digital cameras, game controls, music players, or office phones for safe use. This secret is a patented 3-in-1 fragrant formula that penetrates tight spaces and removes dirt, debris, and deep cleans on contact. Together, they leave electronics clean, healthy, and fresh smelling.
Dirt and crumbs get trapped in my laptop all the time, but with CyberClean, I press it on and the mess is gone.
CyberClean is perfect when traveling, and it's not just for electronics, clean toys, pens, or keychains. The best part is it won't leave a sticky residue behind, making it safe for sensitive electronics. Plus, it's reusable over and over again. Stop trying to clean the old-fashioned way and enter the 21st century with CyberClean.